Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. In this video you are going to see the unboxing and the setup of this Boat 5W Bluetooth speaker, and coming to the things like the pricing as well as where it is available. I purchased this from Flipkart. Even you can purchase it from official website of Boat also. And coming to the model, you can observe it is Boat Stone, and coming to the watts, it is 5W speaker, and pricing and everything on the box is mentioned. You can also observe. If you want, you can pause this video and check the pricing also. On the box they mention the price as 3,490 rupees, but during the offers you will get even below 1,000 rupees. Actually I purchased this from Flipkart for a price of 450 rupees guys. And on the back you can observe some of the specs of this speaker, and this is a very famous speaker, and I think I used this type of speaker like past 3 to 4 years back, but still the speaker is really good. So coming to the package looks like this, and inside the box we are having another box. We need to break the seals here, and you won't observe the seals also. After opening up the box you will get the all contents. First is the speaker, and we're having some cables and some paper or booklet, and we're having sticker too. That's nice, and I will paste it to my laptop. And next we're having a 1 year of warranty card as well as some paperwork which includes some of the specs of this speaker. And coming to the another booklet, we're having the different types of boat accessories that also our Indian cricketers. So here you can observe some more products. Okay, and next we're having aux cable where you can use it for audio devices, and also even in cars or like some external speakers also you can connect. And next is we're having micro USB cable. Yes, this one supports only micro USB, no type C. So whenever you are going outside from your home or outside from where you are actually living, you need to bring this cable to charge this one. Now we will see the physical overview of this speaker. Initially the speaker looks like very good guys, and coming to the color, it is black, and even some colors are also available. Bottom we're having a thread inch where you can actually use it like in tripods, and a rubber type hook is also there where you can actually place or hang it anywhere you like. On the top you're having 4 buttons, power on off button as well as volume up and down as well as play and pause buttons. So that's all about the buttons. Coming to the lights, we're having 3 lights guys. One is red, blue as well as green. So it's blinking now, which means that it is ready to pair. The pairing process is also very easy. Just open the Bluetooth in your mobile or laptop or PC, and it will show the Boat speaker. So just connect it, that's all. The connection is very fast, and you can connect it any devices. After successful connection of this speaker, I tested with some songs. Trust me guys, the speaker quality is really good, and I even tried to watch movies and listen some songs after this video. The speaker is flawless, really good. For 450 rupees I never found such a good speaker like this. So hope this video would really helpful, and sure I will post a review of this speaker soon, using it for some more couple of weeks or days. Then you can finalize whether this speaker supports for you or not. Also I forgot to mention that on the side we're having the micro USB cable as well as aux cable port is also side available, and that's all. This one is supports with IPX5 water resistance also, so even you can use it in water also. So that's all about the unboxing of this Boat 5W speaker guys, and hope this video would really helpful. This video is like a introduction of this speaker, like how the product looks like, how the package will come, and soon like some after days I will post the full review of this speaker. Stay tuned by subscribing to Tech Bunny for more interesting tech videos. As well, I leave the links of Amazon and Flipkart. If you want to buy any product from these 2 websites, please feel free to check the link in the description box. That's all for this video. As usual, my name is Rajashekhar and you're watching Tech Bunny, and I will catch you in the next one.